Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. So this was interesting from Crypto Eddie. Metaverse founder says this: investors will be definitely interested in investment products based on XRP. Now, I'll tell you who this guy is. This was in a Finance Magnates article here, Can the Ripple IPO Succeed? Now, of course, we know a Ripple IPO is definitely in the works. This article just talks a little bit about Coinbase and how that was kind of the very first IPO in the crypto space that everybody was paying attention to about a year ago. I mean, of course, since then, the market hasn't really seen much positive movement. This is Coinbase stock, COIN, here on the daily, just to give you guys a sense of where it dipped to. Wow, we even saw a low of about $40 for Coinbase stock, right now trading at about $63, at least in pre-market, $63.85. So fell a little flat, but of course, you know, this is just following the trend, the bigger trend of the crypto space. This is Bitcoin on the daily, and as you guys can see, since that launch right up here, it was launched in April of 2021, we have seen downturns, upturns, downturns, but ultimately, everything basically just trading sideways. And so although, you know, that was kind of the quintessential IPO, at least at that time, for the crypto industry, it hasn't really seen an upward trajectory, but I think that's symptomatic of grander market conditions. Of course, Ripple's IPO is something that XRP hodlers have been looking forward to. And so this guy here, Ilman Shazhav, he's the founder and CEO at Farcana. Here's what he said with regards to the Ripple IPO, and this is interesting because if you guys didn't know, Farcana is a blockchain gaming metaverse. So this guy's involved in the metaverse, and so this is his company here. I think I'll link this in the description of the video. I'm not going to really go over what they do particularly, but I just wanted to kind of point out the metaverse, video gaming, two big industries that are, well, one of them, the metaverse, is emerging right now, and video gaming has been popular for a couple of decades now. Really kind of come into its own throughout the 90s and then through the 2000s. 2010s, it got really, really big, massive industry with billions of dollars in revenue every single year. So just kind of understanding his perspective on this, I think speaks to what the XRP community is interested in hearing. So what he said down here, Shazhav believes that investors will be eager to grab Ripple stock because of their interest in XRP. Investors will definitely be interested in investment products based on XRP. So what he's stating here is, it's not so much the Ripple stock that's exciting him, but what you're actually buying into. Ripple, with regards to Ripple stock, is you're buying, or rather investing, in a company that bases its products on XRP specifically. So if you're invested in XRP, that is one thing. But he's focusing also on XRP, and I have a feeling that, being part of the metaverse, understanding what the XRPL is capable of, I think he's seeing the future and really understanding where the XRP token specifically is going to find value, where that value is going to be derived from, considering, the metaverse still just in its infancy. And so again, more utility being driven to the XRPL means more demand for XRP. And so he continues by saying, and it does not matter whether it will be stocks or an ETF, or the coin itself. Ripple has every chance to complete this IPO if it settles its case with the SEC. So I thought that was very interesting. This journey, guys, has just begun, and, we are along for the ride. Of course, XRP right now, at least as of the time of the recording, not doing any better than it was doing yesterday, really, trading at around 39 cents, 40 cents, give or take, just kind of in this accumulation phase right now, following a flat trading session for Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin is the king crypto. It essentially sets the pulse for the market, and we really haven't seen too much movement over the last month or so with regards to that. So what else is going on, guys? Well, Bank of America, I saw this in Leonidas' latest video. If you guys didn't see Leonidas' latest video, I do suggest you watch it, because here's what he noticed. So Ripple partner Bank of America, they are opening new jobs in North Carolina and in New Jersey. And these particular jobs have to do with global payments and RippleNet integration, at least it seems as though that is the case. So required skills here for some of these jobs. This one, by the way, is for a TRADS product owner. And they mentioned down here some of the required skills: automated clearinghouse, wire transfer, cash management, check processing, FX liquidity, and on-demand deposit accounting. And then with regards to global payments, digital disbursement payment types such as PayPal, Push-to-Card, Alipay, and Ripple. So if you already have experience with these different types of global payment providers, you are definitely a shoo-in for the job. So we know Bank of America already Ripple enabled. There's another one here for product owner and tech delivery, also located in North Carolina and New Jersey. And they outline here the same thing. So Ripple definitely being an integral part for anyone who is applying for this job, and Bank America a confirmed Ripple client. So interesting news there. Ultimately wanted to thank Leonidas for his video. And again, guys, I do suggest you watch it if you haven't already. I also saw this, guys, from the Cryptic Poet just in. Blockchain logistics firm Vechain signs up with the UFC. They have signed on as a top-level UFC global sponsor, marking the first sports sponsorship for 7-year-old Vechain, which helps companies use the blockchain to navigate supply chain problems. The source with knowledge of the deal says it was nearly $100 million over the minimum 5-year length of the deal, which would make it one of the MMA circuit's largest sponsorships ever. There's a lot, here's a quote, there's a lot to focus on with regards to digital currency, but this is an example of how powerful blockchain technology can be in other areas, said a UFC senior VP/global partnership, Paul Asensio. That's what he said. I can see many deals like this, one coming across sports. With this deal, UFC sponsorship revenues are up 30%, and this was off a record from 2021. Vechain, seeking branding and global exposure from UFC, gets the circuit's official blockchain partnership designation. At this weekend's UFC 275 event in Singapore, Vechain will activate its new rights with branding in the Octagon, along with broadcast and social media integration. Vechain will also sponsor the circuit's fighter rankings, now with UFC rankings powered by Vechain. So UFC, a big industry, and Vechain, of course, a company looking to broaden out its partnerships as well. We know about all their partnerships and how the Vechain, the VET cryptocurrency, will also be one of these cryptos that solves problems down the road in the future. So more value driven to the Vechain blockchain. Again, another partnership. I thought that was great news. Wanted to thank the Cryptic Poet for posting that. And did you see this, guys? This from Nimble, decentralized and democratized risk insurance protocol. Well, the Algorand Foundation is excited to announce a strategic partnership with this company, Nimble, to bring ecosystem-wide insurance protection to its users and products, building on Algorand. So guys, more Algorand news here. Algorand being built on. Nimble is a decentralized insurance protocol powering a new way forward for insurance. Nimble represents a future built on the power of community and inclusivity, where all members of the process can earn investment income and participate in the insurance process. Nimble provides a robust and efficient system for DeFi users to purchase cost-effective risk cover by separating insurance into separate risk pools and allowing key members of the insurance process to participate with insureds. This advancement allows underwriters, actuaries, claim adjusters, and more alongside with LPs and insureds to create profitable risk pools. The risk pool as a service rails that allow all Nimble members to earn investment income and yield. And guys, the partnership with Algorand will bring this innovative risk coverage approach as a standard building block for developers and allow more secure and insured future for users on Algorand. So we're seeing blockchain technology, in this case, the Algorand Foundation, used for many different applications. In this case, we're seeing insurance. And insurance, again, another big industry where the benefits of blockchain will help streamline, I think, a lot of the processes. Algorand and the Algo token, again, one of those WEF suggested cryptocurrencies or WEF approved cryptocurrencies, as they mentioned in their 2021 report. So, I can see where this is going, another partnership, this one revolving around insurance. So I thought that was interesting news for Algorand hodlers. And here's one, guys, from Matthew Liny, Zell, a Ripple partner, and Fiserv partnership now working with 1,000 banks and credit unions. So guys, this is the latest. Zell, who is a Ripple partner, they just marked their 1,000th financial institution using the digital payments network Zell via financial services tech company Fiserv. So Zell and Fiserv, both Ripple enabled. Zell enables people to transfer money from one US bank account to another, typically just within minutes, if both customers are using Zell according to the press release. Fiserv's tool turnkey service for Zell enables fast onboarding of financial institutions while also lowering costs and speeding implementation timelines. An estimated 65% of financial institutions offering Zell do so with Fiserv, according to the release. Since April, FIs using the combined service have seen a 34% boost in active users and a 36% rise in Zell transactions. So huge news here for two Ripple-enabled companies marking their 1,000th financial institution onboarding them. Here is a quote, guys. Real-time digital payments are now a must-have solution for financial institutions. as more of today's customers expect to be able to send and receive money instantaneously and directly using their bank accounts. This coming from Matt Wilcox, president of Digital Payments and Data Solutions at Fiserv, welcoming Nekusa Port Edwards as our 1,000th live client is a testament to the growing popularity of Zell and underscores the importance of connectivity among financial institutions, businesses, and consumers. 1,000 and counting, and I'm sure they will eventually make it to 10,000. Leveraging RippleNet technology, obviously a superior way to conduct cross-border transactions, and the XRPL not just for transactions anymore. We're seeing a lot more use cases starting to pop up for the XRPL and XRP. This is what's going to continue to drive value, guys, to the XRP cryptocurrency. And, mega whales are noticing the same. So, guys, I love hearing news like this. This one specifically has to do with whales on the BSC chain. So this one from Kenwood Capital here on Twitter. He brought this article from you today to my attention. As per a recent tweet by WhaleStats on-chain data tracker, XRP to BSC token has become popular amongst BSC whales, turning it into the #1 most purchased digital asset. In the meantime, Whale Alert has spotted nearly 313 million XRP coins shifting between exchanges and anonymous wallets. The Whale Stats team has spotted that in the past 24 hours, at least as of the time of this publication, XRP token wrapped on the BNB chain, formerly known as the Binance Smart Chain or BSC, has found itself on the top 10 list of purchased digital currencies. So these whales, guys, buying up large quantities of XRP to BSC token, the wrapped cryptocurrency. What's more is the XRP-BSC token is on the first spot on the list. The native token of Binance Exchange, BNB, is in third place here, with Ethereum following in fourth place. Despite all the hate in the market, I gotta say, there's a lot of activity surrounding XRP. The other week, we heard about, whales accumulating XRP when the price had really gone down quite a bit. If my memory serves me correctly, it was right around the beginning of the month when we initially saw this downturn. So we are seeing money starting to flow into the cryptocurrency, the crypto market as a whole, of course. But, it's really telling when we're seeing large quantities, big money. This is not retail money. Let's not forget, this is not retail money. This is institutional money. Flow into the XRP cryptocurrency when prices are seemingly down in the dirt and sentiment is down. Smart money, the institutional guys, they load up when there is blood in the streets. And I know you and I, we want to, follow by example. But I know in some cases, our emotions can get the best of us. And I know it can be hard to pull the trigger. But guys, this is where we're going to make profits. And when I read articles like this, it really does get me excited. Because I know XRP has a future. It was created to basically be a better Bitcoin. And it's already succeeding in that arena. The XRPL continuing to be built on by other developers, continuing to find new use cases, and so the more utility that's derived to the XRPL, the more valuable that cryptocurrency will be. Highlighted in the World Economic Forum's document as well, along with a handful of other cryptocurrencies. And even just going back to what Ilman Shazhaev here has said about buying Ripple stock, investors will definitely be interested in investment products based on XRP, because that's what's ultimately driving Ripple. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.